What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I just finished my clinical rotation. I'm going to do a quick video on a real estate investment trust that I'm buying, the cheap real estate investment trust. And tomorrow I'm going to have a video for you as well. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this readout right now. That stock is Rithm Capital, RITM is a symbol. And this one's a little bit of a risk, but I've been buying these guys. I really feel confident in them unless if something happens. Now, if you see how they did against the S&P the past 5 years, they were in line with the S&P, and then they took a huge nosedive during the pandemic, and they're still trying to recover. So their average volume is 4.93 million. Market cap is 3.66 billion US dollars. Now this one's a risk one. This is one I'm taking a risk in. I don't have the highest amount of confidence in it completely, but I'm buying it to see what happens. So again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. Year range was 686 to 1175. Day range 773 to 791. Its previous close was 772. Let's check these guys out. The Rithm Capital is a manager of assets and investments focused on the real estate and financial service sectors. We serve a wide range of investors and consumers and are focused on generating attractive risk-adjusted returns while having a positive impact on the people we reach. Now let's check out their portfolio. Their strategy is to drive strong and sustainable returns through investments in great operating companies and diverse portfolio assets. We are disciplined in driving growth and generating value while maintaining a robust approach to risk management and operational excellence. Over time, Rithm has grown to include a portfolio of high-performing complementary operating companies and investments. We focus on bringing together great people and platforms that provide services across the real estate and financial services sectors. So check this out. National Mortgage Lender is one, and then Caliper Home Loans right here, New Res, and let's see, Shell Point, Genesis Capital, Guardian Asset Management, Avenue 365, so they have a title insurance agency, so that's very interesting. E Street Appraisal Management, Green Barn, Ador right here. So they own and manage a portfolio of rental homes across the United States. That's very interesting. The knowledge, and then here's E Street Appraisal Management. Their knowledge in E Street state-of-the-art technology ensure your order is handled in an efficient and effective manner. So here's a real estate investment management firm. So right here, like title insurance agency, these are pretty strong. Like I said, with their operating companies, I'll repeat this one more time. Over time, Rithm has grown to include a portfolio of high-performing complementary operating companies and investments. We focus on bringing together great people and platforms that provide services across the real estate and financial service sectors. So I wanted to include that, and I wanted to repeat that one more time. Let's check out their revenue and dividend history. Now, before I go over anything with their revenue and dividend history, I just want to confirm this. The Rithm 2.0, Rithm Capital, formerly New Residential Investment Corp, was created in 2013 to own mortgage servicing rights and other mortgage-related assets. Over the years, Rithm has evolved into a leading manager of assets and investments across the real estate and financial services space. What was once solely a holder of MSRs, Rithm has grown to approximately $7 billion equity, distributed over $4.3 billion in dividends, and now manages multiple operating companies in a diverse investment portfolio. We take great pride in being a steward of capital we manage and striving to generate attractive returns. So right here, there's just some information on these guys. So 2022, so they rebrand, into Rithm Capital from new residential to reflect diversification and strategic ambitions beyond the residential mortgage. So they expanded into private capital business as well. So that's one thing that's very strong with these guys. Now I'm going to go over their revenue and dividend history this time. So revenue-wise, financially, 2016, this is in millions US dollars, 1,194, 2017, 1,944, 2018, 2,192, 2019, 1,962, 2020, 268, boom, pandemic hit, 2021, 1,795, and then 2022, 3,640. So there's a huge increase in revenue, which is very attractive. I'm going to go over some recent trends as well. So they took a huge hit in December. So here's December 2021, then March 2022, they were up. June 2023, they were up. September 2022, they were down. So they were going down. In December, they took a huge hit. Revenue was down by 50.95 million. Year change, negative 187.23%. Net income went down to 43.06%. Operating expense went down to 0.77%. Net profit margin went down 165.28%. Earnings per share went down 17.50%. So these guys took a huge hit, but I want to go over a few other things. So I wanted to go over their FFO. This is on gurufocus.com. So it was 2.0 for the fiscal year. FFO per share quarterly was 0.22. So I just wanted to address that. Now let's go over their dividend history. So at one point in 2015, it was 38 cents, and then it cracked 50 cents in 2017. Then when the pandemic hit in 2020, it hit 5 cents to 10 cents to 15 cents, and then 2020 it was 20 cents, 2021 25 cents. Been very stagnant in 25 cents. So I'm going to take the risk and see what happens with these guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let me know what you think of Rithm Capital Corp. I'm going to take the risk in it and buy it. These guys are at such a cheap price. These guys are a cheap dividend stock / REIT. But there's always risk for a dividend cut. So I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket. Again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have one for you guys tomorrow. Take care.